Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. We are learning the topic perspectives in education, under that teacher empowerment. Now today's subtopic is professional code of conduct for teachers and teacher motivation. Let's begin. Professional code of conduct, that is drawn on the professional ethical principles as the basis for prescribing required standards of behavior for members of any profession we can take. Now particularly in the teacher's profession, a professional code of conduct for teachers outlines the ethical principles and standards that educators are expected to adhere to in their professional practice. While specific codes may vary depending on the institution or organization, they generally include principles such as number one, let's discuss one by one here. Commitment to students. Teachers should prioritize the well-being, safety and academic progress of their students. They should treat each student with respect and fairness regardless of background or ability of the students. Now the second one, that is professionalism. That is teachers should maintain high standards of professionalism in their interactions with students, colleagues, parents and the community. This includes being punctual, prepared and also responsive to communication. The third one is integrity. Teachers should be honest, trustworthy and transparent in their actions and communications. They should not engage in plagiarism, cheating or other forms of academic dishonesty. Now the fourth one is confidentiality. Teachers should respect the privacy of their students and maintain confidentiality about sensitive information unless legally obligated to disclose it or unless disclosure is necessary to protect the student or others from harm. Then fifth one is respect for diversity. Because our country is a diverse country, this is a miniature society in our schools. We can see teachers should create inclusive and supportive learning environments. Because why I'm saying inclusive, because each learner is difficult, maybe slow learner or mentally little bit low in things. So teachers need to keep all these things in mind, that respect the diversity of students, backgrounds, identities, cultures and learning styles. They should challenge discrimination and promote equity and social justice, obviously. Then the sixth one is professional development. Teachers should engage in ongoing professional development to enhance their knowledge, skills and effectiveness as educators. They should also collaborate with colleagues and participate in professional learning communities. Then comes the ethical. The seventh one is ethical use of resources. Now what does it mean? A teacher should use educational resources responsibly, including instructional materials, technology and financial resources. They should respect copyright laws and intellectual property rights. Then the eighth one is conflict of interest. Teachers should avoid conflicts of interest that could compromise their professional judgment or integrity. What does it mean? This includes refraining from accepting gifts, favors and other forms of undue influence that could bias their decision making. Then compliance with laws and policies, the ninth one. Teachers should comply with relevant laws, regulations and institutional policies governing education and professional conduct. They should also report any violation or concerns to appropriate authorities. So the next one, the last 10th one is reflection and self-improvement. This is very important, reflecting upon anything we have done. This is applicable to each and every person, but here for teachers it's very, very important. Critically, they should reflect what are the good things they have done, what are the wrong things which should be prepared or repaired, we can say. Then reflection and self-improvement. Teachers should engage in reflective practice to critically evaluate their positives and negatives on teaching effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. They should seek feedback from colleagues, supervisors and students to inform their professional growth. These principles form the foundation of ethical and effective teaching practice, guiding educators in their interactions with students, colleagues, and the broader community. These are the stakeholders continuously we are talking about. The next one is teacher motivation. That is, let's see who is a teacher. A person who helps others to acquire knowledge, competence, or value. Now, what is motivation? The process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behavior. Now, these things are very important for teacher to get motivated to do good things. Teacher motivation is essential for maintaining high quality education and fostering a positive learning environment. Now, here are some key factors that contribute to teacher motivation. Let's see one by one. Number one, intrinsic rewards. Teachers often find fulfillment and satisfaction in their intrinsic rewards of teaching. That means inner happiness, such as making a difference in students' lives, witnessing their growth and development, and experiencing the joy of learning alongside them. Next one, sense of purpose. Teachers who have a clear sense of purpose and passion for education are more likely to stay motivated, knowing that they are contributing to the well-being and future success of their students can be a powerful motivator. Now, the third one is professional growth. That means opportunities for professional development and growth help keep teachers engaged and motivated. Whether it's attending workshops, pursuing advanced degrees, or participating in peer learning communities, continuous learning can reignite teachers' enthusiasm for their work, obviously. Now, fourth one is supportive work environment. That is, a supportive work environment characterized by collaboration, respect, and recognition can boost teachers' morale and motivation. When teachers feel valued and appreciated by their colleagues, administrators, and broader community, they are more likely to remain committed to their profession. Now, fifth one is autonomy and empowerment. What does it mean? Autonomy means freedom. That means teachers who have autonomy in their classrooms and the freedom to innovate and experiment with their teaching methods are more likely to feel motivated and engaged. That means empowering teachers to make decisions about their curriculum, instructional practices, and classroom management can increase their sense of ownership and investment in their work. Now, the sixth one, positive relationships. Building positive relationship with students, colleagues, parents, and administrators can enhance teacher motivation. Supportive relationships provide emotional encouragement and sense of belonging, which are crucial for maintaining morale and enthusiasm. The seventh one is recognition and rewards. That means recognizing teachers' accomplishments and contributions through awards, praise, and other forms of acknowledgement can boost morale and motivation. Whether it's a simple thank you note or a formal recognition ceremony, excuse me, acknowledging teachers' hard work and dedication can go a long way in keeping them motivated. Now, the last one, eighth, is work-life balance. That means maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential for preventing burnout and sustaining teacher motivation. Schools that prioritize employee wellness and offer flexible scheduling, adequate breaks, and supportive policies for family and personal time help teachers maintain their energy and enthusiasm for their work. So, by addressing these factors and creating an environment that supports teacher motivation, schools can promote professional satisfaction, retention, and ultimately student success, which is the ultimate goal of any organization. So, this is all about teacher motivation and code of conduct. If you like the class, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. I'll come up with the next class, that is professional development of teachers and teacher organization. Until then, keep learning. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.